What has helped me over the past few years is that I've learned to drown out the noise, not to listen to the surroundings, but to just follow what my passion. Okay.
Happy birthday, Marvin!
Hey guys, so it's my birthday. I'm now 39 years old. I'm 1 year from hitting 40. I have 21 years left before I become a senior citizen. I want to share this, especially for those who have been following my channel for quite some time, and I want to give you value for the 39 years that I've lived in this planet. This may not be purely based on investing, but this is something that I hope that will help you grow, because at the end of the day, one of the things that I love, that's why I keep making videos for all of you, is that I want to see you grow. I want that your lives be bigger, better, stronger, and I just want to share some principles that have helped me in my life. I want to start off with this. I highly implore you, follow your passion, do the things that you love, do the things that make you feel alive, do the things that it never feels like work, do the things that when you wake up every day, you're so excited about it because it's part and parcel of who you are, that it never feels like work. That if you have a choice in starting a business that will allow you to earn more but you don't love it, versus starting a business that maybe it will earn less, maybe it will be harder, but maybe it's something that's in line with what makes you feel alive, what keeps you up at night over and over and over and over and over again. No matter how hard it is, you will fight for it. Life is too short to just do the things that don't matter. Even if you earn multi-millions, even if you get to $1 billion, but you're not happy, you're not enjoying your life, then it's all for nothing. Always pick a life worth living. You keep on taking risks. It doesn't matter if it's scary. It doesn't matter if it makes you feel uneasy. Because at the end of the day, when you get old, when you are at the point that your life is about to end, you'll regret not doing the things that you knew you should have done. Maybe the business that you could have started, you could have had that vacation before, but you chose just to work. Or maybe it could have been spending quality time with people that mean the most to you. If you do what you love and you live your life believing that you cherish every moment of it, because it's something that's very, very short, it's something that's very, very precious, it's something that you don't take for granted, things become amazing. So what's amazing about that? You don't listen to the crowd anymore. Don't ever let people's opinions of you define what you could do. Don't ever let your satisfaction be based on what people say or people's approval of you or what people think of you. You have to go with what's true inside of you. Never ever let them define who you are. Be what's real for you. What has helped me over the past few years is that I've learned to drown out the noise, not to listen to the surroundings, but to just follow what my passion. Okay.
Happy birthday, Marvin!
Go.
Happy birthday, Marvin!
Happy birthday, Marvin!
Happy birthday, Marvin!
Happy birthday, Marvin!
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Marvin!
Happy birthday, Marvin!
Happy birthday, Marvin! Happy birthday, Marvin!
Happy birthday, Marvin!
As I hit 39 years old, my dream, my goal, my desire from now up until I hit 60 is just to do the things that I love, to do the things that I'm passionate about, to do the things that excite me, to do the things that thrill me, that it will never be about what the bottom line will be, but it will always be about where I see myself. If is this something that is part of where I want to be in the next few years? Is this something that every single day I get so excited about it because it's what I choose to do, is how I want to live my life. I may talk about living life to the fullest. I may talk about also enjoying and doing the things that you're passionate about, but also there has to be a balance, that don't just think about today, but you always think about also your life 5, 10, 15, 20 years also into the future. That's why I keep telling you that it's so important also to save, because you live in the moment. moment, but you also have to realize that what if you live longer? That you need to have something set aside for the mid to long term. Live in the moment, enjoy the moment, but don't allow the moment to bankrupt you. Don't allow the moment also to steal your joy. And please do note this, never ever compare yourself to other people. It doesn't matter if other people are earning more than you. It doesn't matter if your friends are buying stuff that are better than what you have. It doesn't matter if your friends are going to places that you haven't been yet. Focus on what you need to do. Focus on what your race is. Focus on what your call is. Every time that you feel lonely, every time that you feel that things are stacked against you, one of the best things that you could ever do to feel happy, to feel alive, is to add value to people, to help people. Please do remember this. The greatest thing that will allow you to keep going over and over and over is if you keep on giving, if you keep on adding value, if you are living for something bigger and greater than yourself. And that's what's gonna make it amazing, when life isn't just about you, but your life is moving, marching, and beating to something that is bigger than you in the grand scheme of things. That you are walking towards something, that you're giving yourself for an idea, a belief system that's bigger than you. When you realize that your life is not just about also just being super duper duper happy and living life to the full and enjoying things, what will make it full circle, what will make it more inspiring and amazing, and what will help you not be lonely, is when you're giving it for a cause that's greater than your own, when you're doing it for something. And please do remember this, that when you give and you sow and you be a blessing, it's not just about the money that you can give, but it's also about the time that you can give, and it's also about the words that you can usher in and be a blessing to a lot of people. People always say that they don't want to get old, but me, I want to get old. Why? Because I know I have more experience. I also know from an investing standpoint that my investments have been invested a bit longer. We are sitting on one of the greatest time to be alive. Regardless of what's going on in the world, we are still in one of the greatest eras to be alive. And it's just a blessing to be alive at this time. It's just a blessing also to hit 39 years old. It's just a blessing to be able to continue to grow, mature, learn, and also to be able to add value to all of you. I'm dedicating this one day, this one video, to just share things that are real and very, very passionate to me. And that's why I keep also doing the videos like this. I believe the videos that I make right here, since they're in YouTube, they'll be here forever. And videos like this will be part of my legacy. Something that I could give to the next generation. The principles, the learnings, the ideas that I'm sharing, I hope it helps make the next generation better. That I plant the seeds that people who watch my videos will live better lives than me, will be financially free at an earlier age than me, that they'll do well financially. And that's the crux of it. 39 years old, I'm excited for more. I'm excited for 1 year before 40. I'm excited for 21 years before I hit 60. But as I look to the next year, as I hit 40, and as I look to the next decades, as I become a senior citizen soon, I want to live in the moment. I also want to plan for the next decades to come. But in a way, I also want to sow seeds that the next generations will be better off because of me. Sum it all up, be grateful where you are. Gratefulness is amazing. Live for something bigger than yourself. Be passionate. Do the things that make you feel alive. Give, add value to people, and live for something that's bigger and greater than yourself. So there, it's my birthday. Happy birthday to me, I guess. And that's it for now. Marvingermo. I hope this video helps you. Trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, and God bless you all.